Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and set up on my new K01 2K Dash Cam. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's check it out. Alright, so you got the user manual to set it all up and hook it up to the app. Just so you can power it up. It does use a Type-C. And then this is the actual camera. Check that out. It does have a 1.47-inch display, which is this one right here. And then it also comes with a 64 gigabyte micro SD card, which we'll go ahead and put now. We'll go ahead and put it right in here. All right. And then the way that we'll actually just hook it up is a nice and strong adhesive, which we'll just mount to the windshield, and then we'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and hook it up and see how it works. So the first thing you're going to want to do is download this video app. And then once it does download, you're just going to want to go through the prompts, hit add camera, and then it'll just take you through how to actually get it set up once you power it on. And as soon as you plug it in, this is what it'll look like. It just begins recording automatically, really plug and play and easy to use. And here's what it looks like once you actually stick it onto your windshield. All right, and this is actual video from their app. As you can see, it does record in 2K and the resolution looks very clear. You can easily make out a lot of what's going on, even while driving at higher speeds. The wide angle lens covers a good portion of the road, so you're not missing any of the important details. If you do happen to head into like a low light area, the dash cam's night vision will kick in automatically, and it will also adjust given a brighter situation. And another cool feature is a button on the side. With just one press of that button, it'll take a quick photo of anything you want to save for later. It's easy and the footage is always accessible through the application. It also has a G sensor that detects sudden stops or crashes and automatically saves that footage so it won't get erased during loop recording, which is super important to have. Overall, this 2K dash cam is a solid choice for anyone looking for reliable protection on the road. So if you're looking for a new reliable budget dash cam, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.